Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to create geometric shapes into Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now we can see here some text. Now you want to create the geometric shapes. Go to the insert menu and go to the drawing option. Then we click this shapes option and here are some geometric shapes you can add it or insert any shape. Now I am select this right triangle. You can change the color. Select the shape and click this fill color option and you can change the fill color of this shape. You can change the outline color, otherwise make the outline transparent. Now I am added another geometric shapes. Select this heart shape and draw this. You can draw the shape perfectly. You can press and hold the shift on your keyboard to perfectly draw any shape. Now I am change the color of the shape, make red and the outline is white, otherwise make you can is this is transparent. Then click save and close. And we can see here the geometric shapes. Now we can see we create geometric shapes into Google Sheets very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe my channels to get the next video easily. Thanks for watching.